the hell? And he's like, what?
It's not gas. It's getting in your mouth.
He just figured it was like his way of saying hello. We were like, what the hell? He was
Last night,
That's fart twins?
last night I was brushing my teeth, and I was getting ready for bed, and he's like, oh, my stomach hurts really bad. I'm like, what? He's like, it's going to be a big one.
What about when he goes, what about when Marcy won the thing, the slap pass? Like, we're talking about all these, like, big issues, and she goes, good job, Marcy. I'm like, shut the fuck up.
I'm sorry, I'm like, if I hear chicken